Extract specific column from files of a directory into a new file. I have a collection of 11,064 files, and they all have same file extension readspurging.out.tab. They are in a directory. All the files have 556 lines, 4 columns. First, I want to judge whether the first column or all the files are the same. If it's true, I want to create an output.txt file with 665 lines, 11,065 columns. The first column is the first column of every file because they are same. And second of 11,065 columns of output.txt are the second column of each input file. I want to add the specific file name as the first line for every column. The following are my answers. 1. Get all file names. 2. Get all the first column in one file. 3. Compare whether the first column is identical with other columns in result2.txt. I have no idea now. 4. Create an output.txt. 'What should I do for my script? It is really slow to execute my script in Linux. Or should I write up a Python script to handle it? But I have never learned Python or Perl and I just know a little about Linux. I'm so sorry that my English is poor. I cannot reply in time. Anyway, thanks for all your answers.
One in awk. The file names to process are in files, due to large number of them. The awk program is to run in the directory with the data files, splitting the first separated part of the file name for the header, EA. Leading path would make the header name pretty lengthy. Output ++ near, order not same in all awks. Apparently some awks prefer D++ near equals D near, offs $2 and some D near equals D++ near, offs $2 so separate near ++ works for both. Update. If the files are in a different path and the file names in the file files don't have paths included, replace intelligently. With and with
Try this and let me know if it worked in the comments section of this answer.